Most SaaS founders lose operational visibility without realizing it. Initially, everything appears clear: a small team, swift execution, and precise priorities empower founders to maintain oversight across their company. However, eventually, founders find themselves unable to pinpoint where issues are arising, leading to immense operational risks. As visibility diminishes, execution slows, communication splinters, and teams evolve into silos, fostering a silent chaos that can jeopardize progress. To combat this, high-performing SaaS companies proactively build operational visibility into their frameworks. This involves creating systems for tracking workflows, ensuring ownership visibility, and promoting clarity in decision-making processes, embedding visibility within the company's very structure. Successful scaling isn't merely about faster growth. It's about crafting infrastructures that can withstand the pressures of expansion without succumbing to operational chaos. Founders must prioritize operation by integrating visibility systems within the operational ecosystem. SaaS founders can enhance execution quality and align communication. This structured visibility allows for recognizing issues like bottlenecks and friction before they escalate. This proactive approach ensures that leadership can track execution progress and identify operational friction, allowing for swift remedial actions rather than reactionary measures. As SaaS founders become aware of the invisible problems, they can implement systems for visible execution, thereby laying the groundwork for a resilient and adaptable SaaS company. This approach not only improves visibility but also invites collaboration among teams and aligns efforts across the board, helping SaaS founders scale without chaos. For SaaS founders looking to enhance their operational visibility, remember that chaos can be avoided by structuring efficient systems. Subscribe to SaaS Founder Systems for weekly videos designed to help SaaS founders scale without chaos using structured operational systems. Visit SaaSFounderSystems.com.